Welcome to a video by abronexports. These are the specific gravity. This is a specific gravity hydrometer, or you can say these are different calibrated at 20 degree. This one is a IS 9000 NABL certified. It is 1.22000 to 1.400 or 1200 to 1400. This particular range is available here. You can see these are ranges. So this particular one is from 800 to 1000 and 1000 to 1200, 1200 to 1400 and 1400 to 1600. It has different as per the requirement of the buyer. We are sending these. So when these are the counterweights, glass bulb and scale is there. All are calibrated and certificates are available with us. And whenever you have to use it, put the solution in this, keep it straight. Whatever range comes in the suitable range, use the any model whichever is needed, so you can use it. And then these are certified and specially designed especially for you, and these are available with us, and you can buy these from us. And our email is abron01@gmail.com and WhatsApp number is 99922222049. abronexports. We have got non-ISI marked, non-certified. These are for industry special hydrometers are available with us. Visit the website, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.